Hey YouTube family, welcome or welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani. Today we will be going over my budget categories for 2025 and opening up some Happy Mail. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep watching. So how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing well. I have been away for a little bit because I've been having a nice holiday break. So I hope you all had a great Christmas and spend time with your family and all of those things. So I did have a great Christmas and I took some time off from work. So I've kind of been thrown off my schedule just a little bit, but I have been relaxing and getting organized for the new year. And so I wanted to come on here and film my budget categories for 2025. But first, let's go ahead and open some Happy Mail. So first piece of Happy Mail I have is from It's D, and I opened up all of these previously, so I just wanted to share these with you. But she sent me a beautiful card and it says Star of Wonder. I love the gold detail, and these are the three wise men, so I love that. It says, wishing you the blessing of peace, love, and joy at Christmas. Many blessings. It's D. Thank you so much, D. I hope that you and your family had a wonderful and blessed Christmas. And if you have the opportunity, please go ahead and check D out. She is on a mortgage journey and she has lots of investing and dividend videos that I enjoy them so much. So thank you so much, D, for sending me this piece of Happy Mail. I love it. And this is Budget Stuff Save Repeat. She sent me a beautiful Christmas card as well. It says Merry Christmas. Hope you're decking the halls, counting the days, getting in the spirit, and loving every minute of your holidays. Merry Christmas, love, Melissa. And it actually came with a purple paper clip that I forgot to clip back on. I've been putting it to use in my Happy Planner, as well as I think I'm going to switch it to my the Budget Mom Budget by Paycheck workbook. So thank you so much, Melissa, for thinking of me and sending me this beautiful card. I hope that you and your family had a very Merry Christmas as well. Melissa is our saving queen. She has done so many challenges and she's just awesome at motivating and just inspiring you to save as well. She's also on a mortgage payoff journey, so go check Melissa's channel out as well. Budget Stuff Save Repeat. She's awesome. Next up we have Budgeting April. Okay, just wanted to make sure I'm still recording. Okay, so it says, oh holy night, peace on earth, merry and bright, Merry Christmas. I love this card. It's so pretty, and I love all of these different ways to wish you Merry Christmas and to just get in the holiday season. I love it so much. Merry Christmas. May your blessing be many. May your joy be great. Enjoy the holidays, my sweet YouTube sis, Budgeting April. Thank you so much, April. I hope you and your family had a very Merry Christmas. I love watching her channel. She has two channels, by the way, but April Enjoying Life. She does vlogs and grocery hauls. So I just love her channel. So check it out and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, so she also sent me a birthday card. My birthday was in November, so thank you so much for sending me a card as well for my birthday. It says, do you know what mature, dignified, responsible women do on their birthdays? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, April. It says, me neither. Hope it's happy. Happy belated birthday, sis. I'm so happy you enjoy your day. Budgeting April. Oh, thank you so much, April. Thank you for sending me some cash to spend. I really appreciate it. And I just love this card because, yeah, this is me. Like my daughter always teases me with having like multiple layers of clothing on, but this is so cute. Thank you, April. I really appreciate it. Your thoughtfulness, and thanks so much for sending me a birthday card and a Christmas card as well. So, all right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Thank you again for all of the Christmas wishes on YouTube, and I hope everyone watching had a wonderful Christmas as well with your family and spending time with your loved ones. I just hope that everyone enjoyed their holiday season. So let's go ahead and get started in setting up my budget categories for 2025. Okay, let's get into this budgeting video. We have the budget category set up for 2025, and it's using the Happy Planner. No, not the Happy Planner. It's using the Budget Mom's Budget by Paycheck workbook. And this is my second year ordering this planner. I ordered one last year and she did some changes, but I decided to get the big one again because I do like writing big and I don't really like printing off things. So I just decided to get the new planner that came out. So, but as you can see, this is from my 2024 budget planner. Now, I did add these categories because I was doing some brainstorming, but then I realized that I don't have enough markers and I don't want to have so many categories. So I decided to condense many of these into their respective categories. And so that way I could reduce the amount that I had. So let me go ahead and show you what I have done, okay? Now, I did decide to write these in pencil minus the category headings because I'm waiting for my erasable pens to arrive in the mail. So I decided to write everything in pencil. That way, if I make a mistake, I can erase and not mess up my planner right away. But so this I received not too long ago. I was going to do a flip through, but I think you've seen it by now. There's been many people that have did videos on what the planner consists of. I may film a video on my financial plan, my goals, and then my membership and subscription, but I haven't done that yet. And then she also has this first section here, finding your why. I have to do that. But basically my why is my family and setting us up for financial stability, success, and generational wealth in a nutshell. But let's go ahead and get into these budget categories here. Okay, so first up, we have groceries. And groceries, I decided that all of the categories underneath the subcategories would consist of groceries. Non-food items purchased with groceries that typically are your household items like fabric softener, detergent, toothpaste, all of those that are really not food items. They usually get combined with my groceries when I go grocery shopping. I don't separate it out. But if I do decide to go to the grocery store just for certain items such as non-food items, then I would put it under household. So that's the difference there. My next category is eating out, and this is fast food, restaurants, dining out, and family outings. We do a lot of family outings for birthdays and for the holiday season sometimes, or just different occasions, my extended family. So I decided to group that under eating out. Next, we have car. So this is a change for this year. I used to have gas separated from car care, but this year I decided to put it all under car. So any expenses for gas, for car maintenance, essentials for the car, expenses for the car, such as tags or registration, then that would all go under car, repairs, or insurance related things like deductible, etc. So not bills, but just say if we're saving for insurance, we're going to put that under car. Now, I would love to save for insurance throughout the year because our insurance has went up this year. We've added a new vehicle. My daughter got a new vehicle. Well, actually, both of them now have vehicles, but the oldest daughter that I was helping to save for her first vehicle with the 100 envelope challenge, she ended up purchasing a vehicle as well. So we've added all of those to our insurance, and so it has gone up. But congratulations to her. Okay, bills. So we have fixed expenses, regular occurring expenses, mortgage, which some consider debt, but I decided to list it under bills, and our car loan, which I've also decided to list it under bills because until we are really tackling it head on, then we will put it under our bill section when we're doing our expenses. So we probably won't get to the car until next year. So then we'll probably change that to debt. So we have subscriptions, and this includes Amazon, Hulu, Peacock, Google, Costco. I have a body subscription that's working out streaming platform, and then YMCA. So these are subscriptions/memberships. Then I decided, here's the big change. So I had a lot of these grouped in their own categories, but I decided to loop everything into spending. So spending includes things like if I'm spending for school related items, kids, my oldest daughters are young adults or adults. Also giving, if I'm giving not tithes, but also like just giving for different small expenses, or say if I want to give to someone like that I come across when I'm out, that's going to still be considered spending. Clothes, spending, shopping, clothes shopping, online shopping, not holiday, but everything we do online, not grocery either, but if we do clothes shopping online or anything that we purchase online, it'll be considered spending. Family fun or outings that we go to and that we do, it's going to be part of our spending category. Now, of course, we have subcategories, so you may see these subcategories with an envelope if I do like cash savings, but it's still coming out of our spending when I track the expenses. Cash apps, so I do sometimes send cash apps to my daughters or to others. Miscellaneous, Lyfts, or Uber. Sometimes, well, they used to do this more when they didn't have cars, but every now and then someone may need help with a Lyft. So that is also spending. Purchases, miscellaneous spending. So miscellaneous will also go under here. And yeah, so that's the biggest change this year. Miscellaneous used to have its own category, but now it's going to fall under spending. Next up is personal, and I had to write the color so that way I won't get the colors confused. So light pink, self-care, hair care, skin care, nails, beauty, hobbies, and hygiene for me. All of that is considered personal. And then home, lawn care, pest control, repairs, maintenance, household items, not with grocery. So if I purchase those separately at the store, home related purchases, and that's light green. Then we have holiday, which also that was a big change, AKA occasions. So we have Christmas, which is the biggest occasion that we celebrate and save for, birthdays, Thanksgiving, fall anniversary, Easter, seasonal items, things like that that we have to purchase for the holidays. So all of that will fall under that category. Debt is salmon, and that's credit cards, personal loans, and retirement loan. And like I said before, with the car loan, we will put that under debt once we tackle it next year, pretty much. So then we will probably switch it to our debt category. Savings include sinking funds, transfers. So if I'm tracking it with my expense sheet and I transfer something to savings or transfer to emergency fund or an online sinking fund account, that will be basically saying that I'm transferring it to savings. 529, retirement, investments, all are going to go under savings. Travel is going to be white because I don't have any more colors. So travel is vacation, plane tickets, lodging, and just any expenses that are related to travel. So there you have it. I do use these markers. They have, actually I was going to think about getting some new ones, but I decided to still use them since they work. And that's why I decided to make sure I could condense them to these categories, because it's about, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11 markers. But I like them. They are bright and colorful and they have lots of colors, so that works for me. So my phone cut off, but basically I'm done. This is my budget category set up for 2025. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. It's a way to get organized for expense tracking so that way you can keep track of where your money goes and what categories you are spending your money on. So I hope this is helpful for anyone who is setting up their budget for 2025 or just in general, that you can use this as a way to set up or an example of how you can set up your categories to track your spending. And tracking your spending is one of the foundational things that you can do for your budget to know where your money is going and where you are spending your money. So other than creating a budget, it's very important to track your expenses. So I love tracking my expenses, and I have used digital versions, I've used paper versions of tracking your expenses. So I say, do what works best for you and what you can keep track of so that way you can know where you're spending your money. So thank you so much for watching. And if you like this content, then please consider subscribing. So I hope you all have a wonderful 2025, and let's go ahead and get our budgets in gear for the new year. So thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.